Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to chromebookparts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and unscrew the 5 captive screws in the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick on the hinge side of the bottom cover and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Unplug the battery from the motherboard. Pull back the clips as shown to unplug and remove the RAM. Plug the RAM back into the motherboard. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover, and push down to snap it back into place. Tighten the 5 captive screws in the bottom cover.